Today I'm making mini Santa hat brownies. First in a bowl I'm going to add 1 box of brownie mix. Next I'm following the directions on the back of the box, so I'm adding eggs, oil, and water. Then I'm going to mix that up until it's combined. Now I have a mini muffin pan with liners. I'm going to add scoops of the brownie batter into the pan and then bake this at 325 for 20 to 25 minutes. While the brownies are baking, I'm going to make the frosting, so in a bowl I have a half a stick of softened butter. Next I'm going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Then I'm going to add a half a cup of marshmallow fluff. Next just mix that up. Then add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and mix that up until it's combined. Once the brownies were cool, I added them onto a tray and I put the frosting in a piping bag, and now I'm going to pipe a swirl on each brownie. Next I have some red and white sprinkles. I'm going to dip each brownie in the sprinkles. Then I'm going to add a raspberry on top. Next I add a dollop of icing on top of each raspberry, and then I'm going to take each raspberry and dip it in the sprinkles. Here's an up-close look at the mini brownie Santa hat.